Sharon and I'm from Sikkim. I'm studying in Bangalore and I'm doing fashion designing. I like fashion designing because as we can see in this 21st century, people are like so into fashion, and if I get a chance, I really want to become a big designer so that I can work for like some big fashion show like Victoria's Secret fashion show, and I want to be a part of it. So I'll really work hard for that. And I'm also a fun-loving girl, and I like hanging out with friends. Since I'm into fashion, I would like a guy who enjoy fashion and who are in the same profession. And if you find my profile interested, you can message me.